Hi there. We're forecasting an unusually windy spell of weather for the time of year to affect southwest England, southern parts of Wales as well. The Met Office have already issued an amber weather warning for these strong winds to affect southwest England, where gusts are expected to reach around 50 to 60 miles an hour, perhaps even stronger 70-mile-an-hour gusts around some of the exposed coasts. Now, why is the weather so unsettled at the moment? Well, it's all to do with the jet stream, and these are very fast level winds high up in the atmosphere, 6 miles above our head. And whenever we get this kink in the jet stream, this is called a trough, we actually have accelerating winds ahead of that trough, and the effect of that is to suck up air from the surface, and if the air leaves the atmosphere at the top faster than it can be replaced at the bottom, we get an area of low pressure. This low will reach its maximum depth during Thursday afternoon and early evening time, with a centre of around 978 millibars. Notice tightly packed isobars towards the southern flank of the low system. That is where we're going to get the strongest gusts of wind as we go on through the next few hours. So those winds are expected to peak, as I say, around 50 to 60 mile an hour gusts, 70 miles an hour around some of the exposed headlands, and that could well cause a few problems, bearing in mind that the trees all have the leaves on them at this time of the year, and so the winds, if you like, push against those trees a little bit stronger than they would do during winter time. We'll see a few tree branches coming down. I'm pretty sure we'll see some travel disruption as well due to the wind, and also don't forget there's going to be a lot of heavy rain too. In fact, for Friday, on the face of it, it doesn't look like a great deal of an improvement in the weather story. It's going to be another wet and windy day. If anything, those strong winds will be more extensive, more widespread, particularly across southern areas of England, but the peak wind gusts won't be quite as fierce as those that we're expecting, say, during Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening. No, actually, more on Friday. The issue could be of accumulations of rainfall, particularly across Northern Ireland, Wales, where we could have 30 to 50 millimetres of rain, as much as 80 over some of the Welsh hills, and that could also cause some localised flooding problems. That's it for now.